Hi everyone, this video is to demonstrate how I would like you to submit the lab tutorials, the StatTutor Labs. So on your assignment sheet you'll notice that every so often there will be StatTutor Labs that are located within the reading. Let me zoom in here a bit. These labs, unfortunately, are not showing up in the gradebook, so you'll need to show that you've done the work, and I'll demonstrate how I wish you to do that. Alright, so in the course, if you go into the unit and the reading where the StatTutor Lab is, you go in, and down here at the bottom is StatTutor, and then if you click a little further, you'll open it up, StatTutor, and this one is the one from Unit 6, I believe. And then here's the lab. So this is in its incompleted form. You notice that all these boxes here do not have any check marks. So this is just the beginning of the lab. When you are finished with the lab, it should look like this. Okay, when you are done, you'll have all these things open. So you would see all these green check marks here on the left. So what I'd like you to do is first of all minimize all the green check marks by clicking the outermost minus sign so that you just have those four showing. And then I would like you to do a screenshot of this to put into Microsoft Word. To do this on a PC, you would need to press the print screen button. So let me demonstrate that for you on a PC. So I'm going to slide this out of the way so it's not interfering with my print screen. And I'm going to press the print screen button located on the keyboard. And when I click that, it actually takes a picture of your page. So if I go into Word right now and hit paste, it actually then puts a paste image of the whole screen on your computer. So I can see those green check marks. Alright, the next thing I'd like in this file then are your graphs from the actual activity. So let me get this out of the way. Let me open up Minitab. So in this activity, they asked you to do some row counts and some percentages. They also asked you to do some basic statistics. So here's how you would do this. You would just scroll up in this window and highlight everything. And you can either do copy up here with one of the buttons. So I can do copy. And over back in Microsoft Word, I would do paste. So there's that data, and then finally, there was one graph that was required from Minitab for this. So if we click on the graph, if you right-click anywhere on the graph, it'll say Copy Graph. Okay, so if I just right-click anywhere, I can do Copy Graph, and then in Microsoft Word, I could do Paste. So I'll do Paste up here, and I'll have the graph. And then all I want you to do is save this and upload this to demonstrate that you've completed the lab assignment in the module. For Mac users, let me just go back one step. On a Mac user, I don't think there's a print screen button on your keyboard. So for Mac users, these are the steps you would need to follow. You'd have to do Shift-Command-4. Then you'd move the crosshairs over the target area. Try to capture as much of your screen as possible. You don't have to be very selective. And then you can save that file or copy and paste it into your Word document. So I hope that helps. And this is the document then that you would open up back in Unit 6 here. Let me go back to where you would upload this document. And over here, where it says StatTutor 3, if you actually click on that, you should be able to then attach that file in this content. Alright, so there's no need to write any of the answers. I just need to see that you performed the work in Minitab and that you have those green check marks. So this is everything you need for that lab. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Hopefully this is pretty straightforward. All right, good luck.